My name is John Kamencik, owner of Future Floors. We're here today at Crossett Brook Elementary School. We've been asked to come in and redo all the floors after a major flood. So we were called in to get the school up and running again as soon as possible. We teamed up with Vermont Construction. They're providing a lot of manpower as well as our crews. Today we're getting ready for the kids to come in on Tuesday morning. We're getting the front end of the school ready, including the cafeteria, the lobby area, and all the admin offices. We're removing all the flooring, grinding all the floors, getting it ready so they can walk on it without any residue or old adhesive. So it's a functional space. Once we complete that, then we're going to move on to the rest of the school and try to get the rest of it going as soon as possible. But we'll be continuing work right through until we're finished.